It's National Laundry Day, and to celebrate, we brought laundry experts to Appliance Park for a look behind the scenes of what goes into developing GE Appliance's suite of innovative laundry products.
I'm a professional organizer. I specialize in chronic clutter and ADHD.
I am a dry cleaner based out of New York. My dad and I own a luxury dry cleaning brand.
I'm a content creator. I do a little bit of everything that has to do with cleaning, but 70% of my content is laundry. I absolutely love what I do. I've been a mom over 20 years, and it's passion I have for it.
Getting the behind the scenes is super cool and better understand how everything works.
As an engineer and dry cleaner, I thought it was just fascinating to see how they build everything, test everything, develop everything.
Now that I have a better understanding about the importance of the product and how it's formulated and how it's built and the technology behind it, the better the product is, the better the work is. And if we can make laundry easier on us, then that's what I want to do.
I think people forget how important the actual appliance is. There's just so much that goes into the programming and the actual mechanics of how things clean your clothing, and they're also looking out for you and your clothes to make sure they last a really long time.
I'm a firm believer that you need to take care of the things that take care of you. I do make sure I do deep clean them all the time because they work a lot more efficiently and they will last you a lot longer.
These brands really care about how these appliances affect your day-to-day, and laundry is a never-ending chore, and the more technology that goes into these, I think the better results and the easier time you're going to have.
We have these items in our homes. We should understand how they work and how they can be most effective. So empowering yourself with that knowledge is really important.